To communicate with other person in a society, we need a language. Mostly we used English to communicate with humans. Unfortunately, the similar language computer cannot understand. So we need to learn some language which computer understands. And that's the reason we are learning C. Now if C is a language, okay, that may be a computer language, but it must have got some similarities with English, with any language. So let's first see how we learn English language. It's a simple depiction and analogy then. Now if you see how do we learn English language is first we learn alphabets, then we make use of alphabets to form words, then we use words and create sentences, and then with one or more sentences we create paragraphs. There are some set of rules which we call as grammar, to be precise English grammar while learning English language. And this is the simple representation or way I would say in which we learn English language. So C being a language, there must be an analogy between learning C and learning English. Yes, there is some analogy we can make. If you look, if you want to if you want to learn C, you need to first understand the character set which C allows, which consists of alphabets like A to Z in small and uppercase, digits, and some special character. Special characters like at the rate, hash, percentage. Special characters which are printed on your computer keyboard. So together alphabets, digits and special characters form the character set of C. Now once we know the character set of C, using proper combination rules and meanings, we can form the constants, variables and keywords. For example, if you look at constants, 786 is a constant, it's an integer constant. Minus 3.14 is a float constant. A is a character constant. So there are many ways in which constant can be formed. What is constant? Constant is an entity in C, value of which cannot be changed. And variable is an entity in a C, the value of which can change. So if you look at, for example, I have given marks and results are the variables. Now we can assign some value to marks, we can assign some value to result, which may change over a period of time. That's the reason marks or results are variables. And 786 minus 3.14 are constants. There are some rules which you need to abide by while writing constants or variables. For example, constant types are integer constant, float constant, character constant. It can be either positive, it can be either negative, it is having some allowable range. In case of variables, a variable should start with either an alphabet or underscore character. It can be of length max 32 characters. It cannot have blank spaces or comma in between, this way. Now what is keyword? Keywords are the word which has got some predefined meaning which is known to C compiler. So you cannot use these keywords as a variable to assign some values to it. Compiler won't allow you. For example, int is a keyword, for is a keyword, goto is a keyword, case is a keyword. Likewise, there are 32 keywords in C language which you need to learn. And once you are armed with character set and constant variable and keywords. So using this two and applying set of rules to it, you can form C instruction. Once you start writing instructions, if you combine more or one or more instruction following some set of rules or a grammar that C allows, you can create a program. And C is a language which consists of many programs. Now, having done analogy between English and C, I'll just take a minute of yours to tell you about creator of C, who is Mr. Dennis Ritchie, who unfortunately died in last month at the age of 70. So Dennis Ritchie has created C in 1972, and he is the founder of one of the most popular language on planet Earth, I'd say, C. So let's salute and appreciate him before going further.